Jane Cleland here. The question is, how do I use third person limited? Well, third person limited is the most common, and it allows you to have one perspective and reflect that person's inner thoughts, inner reflections, sometimes called an inner monologue. While the third person omniscient point of view has full access to the thoughts and feelings of all characters, the third person limited focuses on the one. Now that may change chapter to chapter. Sometimes you have that white space between sections within a chapter and you might change, but it has to be a clear demarcation. And an example would be Delia Owens' Where the Crawdads Sing. Sometimes she heard night sounds she didn't know, or jumped from lightning too close. But whenever she stumbled, it was the land who caught her. Until at last, at some unclaimed moment, the heart pain seeped away like water into sand. Still there, but deep. Kaya laid her hand upon the breathing, wet earth, and the marsh became her mother. We are in the moment with this one person looking at the land from her point of view. Third person limited. If you decide to go in that direction, I know you can do it well. Can I ask you to do something for me? If this tip had value, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features for us that allow us to do things that make these videos even more valuable to you. I'd be very appreciative. Thank you.